Hello, my name's Adam Berry, and today I'm going to take you through how to do a mountain runner exercise, also known as mountain climbers. Doesn't matter what you call them, they're exactly the same, but just if you see that somewhere else, they mean this exercise here. So how do we do it? We're going to get ourselves into a full plank position to start with, and then all we're going to do is run our knees up and down towards our chest, like so. That's the mountain runner. Now you'll notice I'm trying to keep my body as flat as possible, but a key thing with this is make sure your hands are right underneath your shoulders. You don't want them further away, you don't want them out nice and wide, you don't want them in too low. And then the other intention I have when I do this exercise is I'm trying to intend to bring my knee right through the gate here between my hands. So let me show you that here. So I'm trying to bring my knee to here as best I can. Hands right underneath shoulders, and then each time I'm really trying to get that knee as far forward as I can. And I'm jumping between each exercise. So in every rep, I am elevated. I'm completely off the floor, I'm completely on my hands. Both feet are off the floor at the same time, ever so briefly as I do it. Just here. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can just bring a foot into there and switch at the same time like so. Lots of people enjoy doing it like that. Or if you need to just come out and come in and out and in like so. That's another thing you need to know about this. You don't have to almost run as you're doing it. You can totally take your time. If you're new to it, if it's not something you're comfortable doing and you're building up your ability with which to do it, then let's slow it down. Let's make it accessible, which could be just here and then back, and then here and then back, and then here and then back. And there's nothing wrong with that in the slightest, because you've got to start somewhere. And once you start somewhere, you can then start building up and building up. And you might as well start in a place of comfort and move towards a place of discomfort, in terms of growth, not in terms of the way your body's feeling. If you're ever in discomfort or pain when you're exercising, then you might need to talk to someone about that, and you might need to double check that you're doing everything right. Right, that's it from me. Peace, love and protein. High fives and positive vibes. Bye!